I'm going to show you how to share Google Docs as PDF. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. So you can choose to share Google Doc as a PDF with either downloading the document as a PDF and share the file, or create a shareable link that directs to a PDF version of the document. Just find the document that you want to share and now look at this 3-dot button right here. Just go ahead and tap there and tap on share. And once you're here, you just need to tap on this plus button right here. Once you're here, you'll be in this page. You just need to look at the top right corner where there's a symbol. So that is the link button. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you have copied the link to your clipboard. And now you can just use that link to share the Google Docs. If you're using a computer, then what you can do is copy the link, and at the end of the URL form, you can use this code. If it says edit $USB equals to sharing to export $format equals to PDF, it will automatically turn into a PDF. If you're using a mobile phone, it can be much simpler. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.